Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. First we're going to do the steam. Here we get nice strong steam. And we recommend that you steam first. This will help prevent the boiler from burning out. And then you do a cooling flush. So you can see that's how much water it was. Then we're going to put the portafilter in. Take a shot. Nice shot of espresso. So thank you for playing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below if you'd like to see more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.